Hello, hello, friends. I'm here in a new place. Where am I? I'm in the floor of my bedroom. I'm sitting on the floor and surrounded by clothes. Why? Because I'm packing for summer vacation. Join me and learn some new English vocabulary and talk about clothes we wear in the summer. Let's go. I'm Teacher Shelby. This is Conversa. If you're new here, welcome. It's a place where you can learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. And I have my suitcase here. Let's jump right into packing for my summer vacation. I'm going to the beach. I'm so excited. It's my favorite thing to go to the ocean, to the beach for a vacation. It's so relaxing and so much fun. So let me share with you the things I'm gonna pack for this short vacation to the beach. Now, first, in the summer, I wear lots and lots of t-shirts. This is a t-shirt. This is a t-shirt. They are usually short sleeved and made of cotton, very comfortable and flowy for when it's hot outside. So I'll pack a few t-shirts. Next, we need shorts. We have to have shorts, right? Either jean shorts or athletic shorts. Because it's hot, I love wearing a t-shirt and shorts in the summer. Now, a big part of going on a beach vacation is going to the beach and swimming and spending time in the sand. So, of course, you have to have a bathing suit, right? My bathing suit's here somewhere. You have a women's bathing suit, or some people have a bikini, right? A two-piece, or this is a one-piece. And for guys, for my husband, he'll wear swim trunks or swim shorts, swim trunks to swim. Another item that's totally necessary is a beach towel. We have to have multiple beach towels so we can dry off after swimming, or we can lay them in the sand and I can tan. I love to lay in the sand or in a chair. You can sunbathe or tan, right? I usually listen to music or an audiobook. I sometimes read a physical book, or I just sleep. I just take a nap. Also at the beach, I have to have some sandals. You have to have sandals. Now, something that's very common on vacation to the beach is that you go out to eat at night. And I love going to a restaurant and ordering seafood, ordering fish or shrimp. It's my favorite food. So you want to pack some nicer clothes, right? A t-shirt and shorts. These are really casual, but we want something a little nicer to go out to dinner. So I might pack a sundress or a dress, right? This is a dress, hard to tell. A sundress to go out to dinner. Or I can pack a skirt. Here's a skirt. Or maybe I'll pack a nicer shirt, right? This shirt is linen, it's flowy, it's really light, so you don't get hot, but it does have long sleeves. Now, for my husband, he may pack some nicer shorts, but definitely he'll pack a collared shirt. This is a collar. He'll pack a collared short sleeve button down. This is called a button down shirt because there are buttons all the way down to go out to a nice dinner. Now, the last thing I definitely have to throw in my bag is a hat, right? You need a little protection sometimes from the sun. Now, some people may call this a cap, but here in the US, we call it a hat. I have to have my cute tomato hat so I can take a little break and protect my face from the sun. And of course, I'll wear sunscreen every single day. All right, that's it. My suitcase is packed. I'm ready to go on vacation. Thanks for joining me today. Just learning some new vocabulary for clothing that we wear in the US in the summer. Americans, we're known to dress pretty casual and relaxed, so that's definitely a true stereotype of me. Now, before you go, let me ask you a question. Tell me in the comments, what is this article of clothing? What is this? It has buttons, it's all one piece, but it looks like shorts. What is this called? Do you know? Let me know if you know the English word for this in the comments. I love wearing these in the summertime with, of course, a shirt or a tank top underneath, like this, with my t-shirt underneath. What's it called? Let me know. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with a friend who's learning English. New videos every single week. And if you're interested in fruits and vegetables and gardening, check out my garden tour video that I posted last week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I gotta go to the beach.